I can now open up the box. Ooh, look at that. All right, let's see what kind of shoes I'm getting. So I can peel this off. See? It comes off. So for example, here I see an opening, and that's where I'm gonna apply some baby oil. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Today is December 22nd, 2018. That means we're 3 days away from Christmas. And you know what, guys? I was really not gonna make this video. I was gonna make you guys wait another year for another how to sneak a peek at your Christmas presents. But I was at Walmart and I came up with a few more ideas, so I said, why not? Let's let them have it. So here's part 5 of that series, how to sneak a peek at your Christmas presents. So it's almost Christmas. If your parents already took out the Christmas presents and already put them under the tree, then you're good to go. Otherwise, you still gotta go out and find them. And in previous videos, I've shown you many places within your household where you guys can find those presents. So once you find them, guys, let's get started. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 simple methods that will help you sneak a peek inside your Christmas presents. But before we get started, let's make sure that you are subscribed to this channel with all notifications turned on. Hit that thumbs up button, guys. I hope you support this video by giving it a like. Let's get this going. Check it out. So I got a present right here. Now, when you first look at it, it looks like a regular present. But once you start feeling it, guys, you already know what you're getting. You're getting some shoes because this has the shape of a shoebox. It doesn't take a genius to figure this out, guys. I can tell by the edges. For example, here I have another shoebox. They're similar in size, but also, guys, just by feeling it, you can always tell by the edge that it's a shoebox. Okay, now that we know we're getting shoes, we want to know what kind of shoes, right, guys? We want to know if we're getting those Jordans or those Yeezys that a lot of kids like. I don't like either one of them, but I'm sure you guys are excited to get shoes. So if you happen to get one of these boxes and you already know you're getting shoes, then you can easily take a peek. Let me show you how, guys. And yes, we're going to use the edges to our advantage. For example, right here, guys, we're going to cut along the top of the box. Just by feeling it, you should be able to know where to cut. So I'm going to take my trusty blade, never fails, and I'm going to cut around this area right here, guys. It's not hard at all. So basically right here, like the incision. See, there's the cut right there. And the box is orange or red. I can't tell just yet. Alright, so far so good. And then we're gonna cut down the side. We're basically gonna make 3 cuts. And it's a box, so there's 4 sides. That means that one side we will not touch at all, which is the back side. It really is the blade that does all the work. At this point, the sides will start coming apart, and that's fine because we'll put them back together. Okay, so I made the 3 cuts, front and both sides. The back I will not touch, like I said. And look, guys, I can now open up the box. Ooh, look at that. All right, let's see what kind of shoes I'm getting. And nice, just what I wanted. Some Nike Cortezes. These are the old school ones, and these are gray. So there's not a lot of these out there. Cool. Can't wait to wear these. Too bad I have to wait till Christmas. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna put everything back in there. Close up the box. And yeah, I know, it looks like we're left with a big mess. Seems like this box we will not be able to fix. But in reality, we can, guys. And our best friend for that will be a little glue stick like this one. We're not gonna use tape anymore. We're gonna use a glue stick. So we're gonna glue everything back up and nobody would be able to tell anything. Why? Well, because we cut along the edge of the top of the box. We're gonna get away with this, guys. Just watch. For example, here I'm gonna take my glue stick. I'm gonna apply some on the edge of the box. And then I'm gonna put the wrapping paper over it. So far I already fixed the front and you can't even tell there's anything wrong with it, right? So let me take care of the sides and we're almost done. That's it, guys. Nobody will be able to tell that I already tampered with this. I already know what I'm getting. I'm getting some shoes. Some brand new gray Nike Cortez shoes. I can't wait for that, guys. So if you guys know you're getting shoes, you can try this method out. You can't even tell, guys. If you guys have been keeping up with my series, you probably have seen this in a previous video, right? This is an ornament gift box and it's heart shaped. It also happens to be blue. Now the last time, the way that I showed you how to sneak a peek inside one of these was to pop off the cap. Now, let's say that your parents got smart and actually glued it on. You can no longer pop it out, and of course you got that tape here that you can't really mess with because it'll show that you already tampered with it. So how else can you sneak a peek in here? It's very simple, guys, although you will need a screwdriver for this. Good thing I got mine handy right here. So basically, guys, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna flip this and we're gonna concentrate on the back because we are gonna undo the hinges here, and for that we have our screwdriver. We are basically gonna pop them off. So basically we're gonna be opening this in reverse. But first you guys gotta get through the tricky part of popping off the hinges. So yeah, some strength will go into this, guys. There you go. All right, so we undid the hinges, guys, and oh man, all I get for Christmas is a fidget spinner. This is 2016-17. We're in late 2018. These have been dead for over a year, and I'm getting this for Christmas? What a ripoff. But now that I know I'm getting this, guys, I gotta put it back, otherwise I'll get in trouble. So I'll throw it back in there, and I'm gonna fix the hinges on here. So I gotta use more strength, but I should be able to pop it in. Perfect. Nobody will know that I already opened this. As you guys can see right here, the tape is still intact, so I haven't messed with the tape. This I can't really pop out, so there's no way they can imagine that I tampered with this. Now as far as the back looks pretty good. So as far as they're concerned, nobody messed with this. Too bad, I already know what it is. And it's a fidget spinner. They're not fun anymore. But hey, they might make a comeback in 2019, right? I can only hope. So I was at Walmart and I came across this box right here. Now what caught my attention is the center, which happens to be a sticker. When I first saw it, I thought it was part of the design of the box, and it's not, guys. The top of the box is actually this color right here. It's a light brown color, but this one was just stuck on there with some double-sided foam tape. So I can peel this off. See? It comes off. And like I said, it's a plain color. And that's perfect because I did something similar before where I actually cut the box and used the sticker to hide this. But this sticker is huge, guys. I can actually make a big old cut in here, and I might be able to take out the present depending on what it is. So let's begin the cutting process. And as far as my cut, it should be smaller than this circle. So I'm gonna cut a square down the middle. Alright, I made the cut. Sounds like I joined a team, huh? Alright, so there's the opening, guys. Alright, so I see an apple. So of course it looks like it's an iPhone. Yep, just as I thought it would be. Now if the opening was bigger, I could actually take out the iPhone and use it before Christmas, but I don't know. I might be able to reach in there and take it out if I made the opening a bit larger. You know what? I'll leave it in there because I don't want to ruin my surprise. I already know that it's an iPhone, but I want to play with the iPhone once Christmas comes around. So I'll wait till Christmas, but at least now I know what to expect. Now to cover up this opening, all I'm gonna do is take that little sticker that we removed and we're gonna cover our tracks with this. Nothing suspicious, nothing fishy. It's just a regular box with a design on the center. So always hope that one of your boxes will have a sticker on top that you can easily peel off so you can actually cut a hole on the box. Alright, so I was at Walmart, guys, and I saw one of these. It's like a tin can. It's really squared, so it's more like a tin box. So if you place tape over it, and right here I used packaging tape, so it's a little bit stronger than your normal tape. It's really hard to remove, and if you try to remove it, guys, you'll be able to see on the edge of the tape that you already tried to peel it off, so it'll give it away. So a really good method to open up one of these boxes is the following. We'll be resorting to some baby oil. And we're also gonna use a little dropper. So I'm gonna open up this baby oil, extract a little bit of oil, and we're actually gonna apply some baby oil on the tape, and it will easily undo it, guys. So for example, here I see an opening, and that's where I'm gonna apply some baby oil. I'm gonna let it sit and let the oil do its job, guys. We're gonna let it take its course and it should easily undo the tape. Alright, after a few minutes, guys, the tape lifted up and I can easily undo it. So let's take a peek at what we're getting. Oh, it's empty. Wait, no, it's not empty. Huh. Yes, $100. Nothing better than getting cash for Christmas, guys. I would rather take $100 bill over anything. Except slime, I like slime. But $100, guys, I'll gladly accept these. Too bad I can't spend them right now because there's still 3 more days till Christmas. So I'll put them back in and I'll have to wipe it down because baby oil can be so greasy and we don't want to leave any evidence behind. We're also gonna wipe off the baby oil off the tape. Okay, so the tape should have enough adhesive on there, just barely, to stick on. And that's it, guys. We just got away with opening up this tin box. And as you guys just saw, I'm getting $100 for Christmas. And for that, I'm really excited. I'm sure you guys would too. In a previous video, I showed you guys how to sneak a peek inside one of your presents using baby oil. And I showed you the example, but I also mentioned that if you didn't want to use baby oil, you could also use water. So here's the example, guys. Notice my little present right here. It's small, but I really can't see through that wrapping paper. Water does help. Now the difference between water and oil is, yes, oil is better, but at the same time, water dries up, and when oil dries up, you can actually see the oil, but when the water dries up, there's no traces that it was ever wet. Sure, it might look a little wrinkly, but that's fine. Nobody should suspect anything. Well, anyway, guys, let's pour a little bit of water in there so I can show you the effect. So here's the present, and I'm gonna pour just a little bit on the center. All right. We're gonna let that soak in and it should start revealing what's in there. Alright, I'm getting some crayons, guys. Look! You can clearly see the water soak in there, and the wrapping paper got a little transparent, so you guys can clearly see there that I'm getting a pack of 24 crayons, which is not the most exciting thing, but if you don't have any crayons, then now you do. But anyway, guys, this is just the example. You guys can try this with any present that you might have that is wrapped in wrapping paper. And like I said, the benefits of water is that it'll dry up and it'll become a solid color again. When you do it with baby oil, it'll stay transparent, so therefore you can't really cover your tracks unless you put a bow or a tag over it. Otherwise, water is the safest way you guys can go about this without getting caught. That was some simple stuff, right, guys? Anybody can try these out and anybody can get away with these. But if you do get caught, guys, that is not my fault. I'm just trying to show you how to have fun before Christmas. If you guys couldn't wait and you did something wrong and you got caught, you're on your own. But I know you guys don't really try these out. They're just fun to know, right? So why ruin the surprise by trying to take a peek when you guys can wait, what, 3 more days till Christmas? Now, I could understand you guys 3 weeks ago. Yeah, you find the gifts then I know your patience would probably run out. But we're only a few days away, guys, so you might as well wait. But at least now you know for next year. So if you enjoyed this series and want me to continue it next year, give this video a big like, guys. I want to know that you guys like this video. That way I can make more of these for you guys. With all that being said, guys, I hope you have an amazing holiday season. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, which happens to be my birthday. So if you guys want to say happy birthday before then, please leave some comments below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, pranksters, if you're new to this channel and you haven't checked out parts 1 through 4 of the series, you can easily click on any of the squares on the screen to be caught up. You won't be disappointed. I'll have lots more fun videos coming soon, so make sure you are subscribed with all post notifications turned on.